Welcome at Orlando Harbor. Our next topic are the natural hazards in the United States, and one of the biggest threats really are hurricanes. So we are going to do something crazy today. We are going to fly through a hurricane. So what I did is I came down here to the harbor. Down here to the harbor to charter this airship, and we're going to fly right through a hurricane in the hope that we can find data and information to better understand this natural phenomenon. So let's get on board. Ready for takeoff. Welcome on board. So let's get this thing started. This is the John Rush calling tower. Yes.
United 926, turn left, heading 100.
Ready.
100, United 9.
Ready for liftoff. So for the first part, we are going to fly north. Then we expect to find the hurricane, and we'll curve right down, turning east, and yeah, we'll find out what we're going to see. We don't want to fly without music, do we? Hurricanes usually originate north and south of the equator, where water temperatures, sea surface temperatures, are the highest, because what they need is they need 27 degrees centigrade to originate. Basically, a hurricane is nothing else than a low pressure system, but due to the energy that is released by the warm ocean and the water vapor that goes into the atmosphere, the hurricane is one of the most energetic phenomena that we can have, or that we can find on Earth. So here we are. You can see the first bands of rain, and wind speed is going up. We can expect more than 200 kilometers per hour as we get closer to the eye. Okay, now heavy rain has set in, and wind speed is up to more than 100 kilometers per hour. It's getting rougher. There's a wall of clouds now. We're going to dive right in. Yeah. Oh man. I wonder if that old mill's gonna make it through. Just look at that. We're inside the eye. It's totally calm. We've got blue skies. Unfortunately, the flight through the eye doesn't take very long, and we're headed back into that wall to get the same beating one more time. Let's hope we'll make it. What a trip. What a trip. Okay, so, but we've made it. And it was interesting, wasn't it? Now, the question is, should we try the same thing with a twister and try and fly through a tornado? What do you guess? What's your recommendation? Tell me, let me know. See you around.